Brace yourself for an unparalleled experience in this exclusive video tour, where we delve into living spaces awash in the ethereal embrace of pristine white tones, conjuring an atmosphere that pulsates with the essence of opulent luxury and enduring allure. But what truly ignites the spark of distinction within these living rooms is the infusion of opulence itself, an opulence channeled through the exquisite symphony of textured and patterned fabrics. Each fabric, a thread woven into the fabric of our design narrative, ascends to celestial heights, elevating the very core of the space and painting it with an unparalleled panorama of depth and intrigue. Where you come in. A mere click of the like button, a subscription to our channel, and you're enfolded in the embrace of a community that thrives on design inspiration and the allure of exclusive tours. Threshold of each room, the air itself resonates with an exquisite blend of luxury and beckoning warmth. Your very senses shall revel in the touch, as every fabric is meticulously chosen to augment the overarching aesthetic, an exquisite tactile invitation into a realm of comfort and elegance that lingers long after your virtual visit.